Some magic mini monsters went for a walk, and what did they find? Let's look and see! Some ants crawled quickly through the grass. An apple smiled as they passed. An alligator lay in the sun and snapped its jaws just for fun. Two bees played in a flower bed. Millie hit some balls with her head. A bed was tucked beneath the tree with 3 teddy bears, 1, 2, 3. Millie began to pat the cat. A cup sat steaming warm and hot. A car rolled slowly down the track, then turned around and headed back. A dog barked loudly at the gate. Some ducks marched in a little late. A door creaked open with a groan, and someone sang completely off tone. An egg sat still upon the hay. An elephant stomped by to play. An ear popped up to hear the sound of buzzing bees that danced around. A fox peeked out from behind a tree. A fish swam by so playfully. A frog waved from a lily pad. They all danced, his name was Chad. A goat was munching on a hat. They lay on the grass and had a nap. Some grapes fell gently from the vine and rolled across a garden line. A hat flew high into the air. A hen was sitting in a chair. A house appeared beside the hill with flowers sitting on the sill. An igloo stood beneath the sun. An ice cream melted on the run. An insect buzzed and danced along, then joined a leafy bug parade song. A jar was filled with jelly sweets. A jet flew over city streets. A jug sat near the old front gate, waiting for tea and something great. A key was dropped beside the mat. A kite flew high, imagine that. A kangaroo and koala ate cake right beside a pretty lake. They licked lollies by the lake, then spotted ripples start to break. They sat upon a sunny log and waved hello to a hopping frog. A moon peeked through the twilight sky. A mouse ran past and waved goodbye. A monster smiled and gave a cheer as stars above began to appear. A nut had fallen from the tree. A net hung loose, swaying free. A nest was tucked in quiet space, with eggs kept warm in nature's grace. An owl blinked from a branch up high. An octopus waved as it passed by. An orange rolled down to their toes and bumped a gnome with garden hose. A pig rolled in muddy glee. A pen was lost beneath the tree. A panda smiled from far away and twirled around to start the day. A quilt was spread upon the sand. A queen passed by and waved her hand. A quail walked slow across the trail with fluffy feathers on her tail. A rabbit hopped into a hole. A rat peeked out beside a mole. A ring became a crown so round that Millie wore when settling down. The sun was bright up in the sky. A snake slinked past with narrowed eye. A sock hung flapping in the breeze on a clothesline between the trees. A turtle strolled by with a colored shell. A tiger purred and wore a bell. A house in the meadow held hundreds of toys, still loved by girls and boys. An umbrella twirled through rain and wind. Some urns held plants and keys and things. A unicorn with rainbow flare tossed shiny sparkles through the air. A van drove slowly down the road. A violin played a lovely ode. A vase of tulips caught the breeze and danced with bees beneath the trees. A whale swam by and gave a wink. A watch ticked softly by the sink. A witch flew past with joyful cheer and dropped some sparkles on their ear. A treasure box was found by Trouble. An ox stood by, blowing a bubble. A taxi honked and stopped right there as monsters danced around with flair. A yeti twirled a glowing yo-yo that sparkled like a starry show. A ball of yarn began to race. It looped and zoomed all over the place. A zebra pranced atop the hill while Shill zipped a zip with zesty skill. A zoo gate opened with a grin and animals danced as they trotted in. Now we've traveled A to Z with monsters dancing joyfully. They laughed and learned, they twirled and spun with colors bright and heaps of fun. We've danced through letters bold and bright, from morning sun to starry night. Each sound we learned, each giggle too, made every page a dream come true. See you soon.
Ben the fox had a big red hat. Meg the cat said, "Wow, look at that." Ben popped it on and gave a grin. Then whoosh, the wind took it for a spin. The hat went up and down the track. Ben and Meg ran to get it back. They ran past trees and big blue flowers, chasing that hat for hours and hours. A dog said, "Let me come too." He wagged his tail and joined the crew. Soon a bear came running past. "Wait for me, I'm not that fast." They raced past a pond and over hills. The hat kept going even past the mills. Up another hill, then down to a stream. They had lost the hat, or so it would seem. A fish popped up with a big grin. "I have your hat, come for a swim." The bear took a leap and gave a big splash. The dog did a dive with a mighty dash. Meg did a skip, Ben did a flip. The fish gave a giggle and a big wet slip. They all grabbed the hat with a big hooray. What a wild and silly hat chasing day. They sat in the sun, the hat safe at last. They laughed and sang, forgetting the past. With paws and fins they clapped with glee. Best day ever for you and me.
Lemon, I am a lemon. 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 Lemon, I am sour and bright. I shine in the light. I am a lemon. Lemon, I am a lemon. Lemon, 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 lemon. Mango, I am a mango. Mango, I am a mango. Mango, I am a mango. Mango, golden and sweet. I'm a tropical treat. I am a mango. Mango, I am a mango. Mango, 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 mango. Coconut, coconut, I am a coconut. Coconut, I am a coconut. Coconut, I am a coconut. Coconut, I am brown and round with white inside found. I am a coconut. Coconut, I am coconut. Coconut, 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 coconut. Mandarin, mandarin, I'm a mandarin. Mandarin, I'm a mandarin. Mandarin, I'm a mandarin. Mandarin, I'm small and sweet, a perfect snack to eat. I am a mandarin. Mandarin, and a mandarin. Mandarin, 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 mandarin. Kiwi, kiwi, I am a kiwi. Kiwi, I am a kiwi. Kiwi, I am a kiwi. Kiwi, brown outside, I stay green inside all day. I am a kiwi. Kiwi, I am a kiwi. Kiwi, 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 kiwi. Cherry, cherry, I am a cherry. Cherry, I am a cherry. Cherry, I am a cherry. Cherry, I am shiny and red with the stalk on my head. I am a cherry. Cherry, I am a cherry. Cherry, 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 cherry.
These are moths.
These are moths. M-O-T-H-S, moths.
These are moths.
These are moths. These are
These are foxes. These are foxes. F-O-X-E-S,
foxes. These are foxes. These are butterflies. These are butterflies. B-U-T-T-E or F-L-I-E-S, butterflies. These are butterflies. These are owls. These are owls. O-W-L-S, owls. These are owls. These are frogs. These are frogs. F-R-O-G-S, frogs. These are frogs. Bum, 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 bum. These are bees. These are bees. B-E-S, bees. These are turtles. These are turtles. T-U-R-T-L-E-S, turtles. These are turtles. Bum, 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 ba-da-dum, bum, 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 ba-da-dum, bum, 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 ba-da-dum, bum, 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 ba-da-da-da-da. These are lions. These are lions.
P-A-N-D-A-S, lions. These are lions. Ba-da-da-da. These are pandas. These are pandas. P-A-N-D-A-S, pandas. These are pandas. Bum, 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 ba-da-dum. These are ladybugs. Bum, ba-da-dum. These are ladybugs. L-A-D-Y-B-U-G-S. Ladybugs. Bum, ba-da-dum. These are ladybugs. Bum, bum, bum. These are ladybugs.
Come on and subscribe and join us here at Monster World. There's so much to explore.
These are deer.
These are deer.
D-E-E-R.
Deer.
These are deer.
These are tigers.
These are tigers.
T-I-G-E-R-S.
Tigers.
These are tigers.
These are crabs.
These are crabs.
C-R-A-B-S. Crabs. These are crabs. These are zebras.
These are zebras.
Z-E-B-R-A-S. Zebras.
These are zebras.
These are koalas. These are koalas. K-O-A-L-A-S. Koalas. These are koalas.
These are chameleons.
These are chameleons. C-H-A-M-E-L-E-O-N-S. Chameleons. These are chameleons.
These are snakes.
These are snakes.
These are snakes.
S-N-A-K-E-S. Snakes. These are hedgehogs.
These are hedgehogs.
H-E-D-G-E-H-O-G-S. Hedgehogs. These are hedgehogs. These are skunks. These are skunks. S-K-U-N-K-S. Skunks. These are skunks. These are possums.
These are possums.
P-O-S-S-U-M-S. Possums. These are possums. P-O-A. These are possums. Come on and subscribe and join us here at Monster World. There's so much to explore.
I am a banana, banana. I am a banana, banana. I am a banana, banana. I am very yellow, and I am a nice fellow. I am a banana, banana. I am a banana, banana. Banana, banana. Banana, banana. Banana, banana. Banana. I am an apple, apple. 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 I am very red with a leaf on my head. I am an apple, 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 apple. I am an orange, orange. 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 I am full of cheer, feeling squeeze me here. I am an orange, orange. I am an orange, 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 orange. I am a grape, grape. 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 I am small and sweet, a bunch you can eat. I am a grape, grape. I am a grape, 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 grape. I am a strawberry, strawberry. I am a strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. I am a strawberry. I am red with seeds and I'm tasty indeed. I am a strawberry, strawberry. I am a strawberry, 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 strawberry. I am a watermelon, watermelon. 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 Green outside I stay, pink inside all day. I am a watermelon, 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 watermelon. Fruit salad, watermelon. The cat saw a big map in the hay. She saw a big red X and said, okay. The cat ran out of the shed and put her hat up
upon her head. The cat met a blue dog in the sun. The cat said, "Let's find the X, it'll be fun." The dog said, "Wait, I can't, I lost my shoe. If we can find it, I can help you." The dog saw a big, tall, yellow bear. He had a red cap and purple hair. The dog said, "Bear, we need to find my shoe." The bear said, "Yes, I can help you." They ran past a log and a big old hut. They tried the door, but it was shut. A frog on a log said, "How can I help you?" They said, "We are looking for a shoe." A big orange fish was in a pond. The fish said, "Hi, my name is Dawn." The fish gave a jump and sang with glee. I saw the shoe fly up into that tree. They got the shoe back and all did a clap. They saw the X and found a big snack. They had fun in the sun all day long, then sat in the grass and sang a song. They laughed and played as the sun sank low. Best friends together, they made hearts glow. They learned that with friends there's so much to do. The best kind of treasure is having a crew.
These are deer.
D-E-E-R.
Deer.
These are deer.
These are tigers.
These are tigers.
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 These are tigers.
These are crabs.
These are crabs.
C-R-A-B-S. Crabs. These are crabs. These are zebras.
These are zebras.
Z-E-B-R-A-S. Zebras.
These are zebras.
These are koalas. These are koalas. K-O-A-L-A-S. Koalas. These are koalas.
These are chameleons.
These are chameleons. C-H-A-M-E-L-E-O-N-S. Chameleons. These are chameleons.
These are snakes.
These are snakes.
These are snakes.
S-N-A-K-E-S. Snakes. These are hedgehogs.
These are hedgehogs.
H-E-D-G-E-H-O-G-S. Hedgehogs. These are hedgehogs. These are skunks. These are skunks. S-K-U-N-K-S. Skunks. These are skunks. These are possums.
These are possums.
P-O-S-S-U-M-S. Possums. These are possums. P-O-A. These are possums. Come on and subscribe and join us here at Monster World. There's so much to explore.